dunya breaks me, Allah heals me. I fall again, He still sees me. He knows my heart, He knows my pain. So I say, Ya Rahman again and again. This dunya breaks me, Allah hears me. Allah hears me. I cry alone, I cry alone. But He comes near me. The world is loud, but His peace is clear. He didn't wait for me to be perfect. He waited for me to come back